Feeling a little stressed today? Good, you're in the right place. Let's take a breath, pick up a pen, and start something beautiful. It all begins with a single circle. Welcome to Hobbi 101, where we combine mindfulness with mild, dry humor. Today's Zentangle journey includes spiral flower, Cubine, Nzeppel, and Noom. Shout out to Minnie VE, a brilliant subscriber who suggested we include Nzeppel and Noom. This one's for you, Minnie. Let's start by drawing 2 half circles. Now let's start drawing the flowers. Decide where to put your first flower. We'll begin in the center, slowly spiraling outward, like a flower, or a very slow tornado. I started out doing this Zentangle-inspired artwork with pencil, and now I'm inking it with my Sakura Micron pen. This drawing is a Zentangle-inspired art because there was some planning involved, as seen with my pencil outline for the flowers. True Zentangle method involves little planning. Now let's add a pop of color. Coming up next, the pattern Cubine. If a checkerboard and a shadow had a baby, this would be it. Now we're building Cubine, a 3D illusion that looks way more complicated than it is. You've got this. To get that 3D effect, I fill in the back walls with black ink, and then I fill in the side walls with my graphite pencil. See how that back wall helps to make it look sunken in? Now I'm adding just a little bit of detailing and some tipple around the flowers. I added the darkness because I wanted a little bit more weight to these flowers. Speaking of weight, I think I'm going to go heavy with the pink. Here's another example where I'm doing a little bit of planning. I'm going to add a string or a pencil line of where I want this next pattern to go. And the pattern will be the Noom pattern. It's more of a chain or a ribbon type of pattern. Let's focus in and start drawing Nzeppel. This one looks chaotic at first, kind of like my inbox, but it all comes together. Trust the process. Loose web-like lines, no ruler, no plan, no problem. With Nzeppel, draw your straight lines first, and then in each section, just try to round out all the corners. You can either leave them open like these, or you can fill in all those intersections. And finally, let's start drawing Noom. Not the app, no weight loss required, just flow, repetition, and calm. This one is especially soothing. Just let your pen flow in gentle curves. Think of it as drawing ribbon noodles. Start drawing S-shaped curves. And then you're going to draw an arc from one of the curves to the top of the next curve. And then you're going to do the same, but this time on the underside of each S curve. Next, we're going to join and connect these middle ends by drawing some more smaller S curves. And then we cap each of those ends, so it looks like it's been poked in. See how they look like they're intertwined? Do these remind you of jewelry, like links in a chain? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm going to add some interest by adding some detail. I think I want to put a heavier line on the outside of the Noom chain, just because it's quite heavy on the bottom with that bright pink and the back walls of the Cubine. And I think I want to make it more metal looking, because it really does remind me of a jewelry, like a chain necklace. I'm going to color the underside of each link with my graphite pencil. Let's see how that looks. Looks pretty smooth on this Bristol paper tile. I think I'm going to add some sparkle using my Sakura Jelly Roll white pen. See how that adds a little bit of shine, that little embellishment? Now let's get this looking more 3D by adding some shading. What I'm doing here is outlining the inside of where we had drawn Nzeppel, so that it looks like the Nzeppel portion is sunken even further behind the Cubine semicircles and the flowers. And now I'm going to shade these flower spirals and make them look like they're stacked on top of each other, just by shading the underside of each of these flowers. Then achieved. Artistic perfection not required. Did you forget what day it is while drawing this tangle? Excellent. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try drawing this tangle, or if you feel inspired and are going to try to do some of these patterns in your own artwork. I found my piece. No incense required. Click the next tutorial and keep the piece going. New videos every week. Subscribe so you never miss a moment of calm or my terrible jokes. Thanks for tangling with me.
From simple arts, in tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.